Hi everyone, it's Christina DiMaselli and it is welcome back to school time. If you are doing any activities where you're collecting information on your students so that you can get to know them a little bit better, here's a couple of ideas for you. This is just a plain Google slide, really simple, thrown together quickly, but it has a couple of elements that I like. One that is interesting is this scale down here, and the kid would grab that shape and slide it and decide where they wanted to be. Are they a night owl or are they a morning person? The other one that I like a lot is this add your selfie. If you do an insert image, you'll notice that one of the options is camera. Great if you have a device with a webcam or a Chromebook with a camera. This is a really nice option. And when I click on that, it is going to open up the camera for me. It may ask you to allow permissions for it, but this is a great way to do an instant selfie instead of having to do it on their phone and upload it and go through a bunch of different steps. So I have a webcam over to the side here. And if I click the yellow icon here to capture, I can capture an image to insert. And I can do more than one. So I've got three different options here that I could choose from. All right, I'll choose the first one up at the top here. It's kind of goofy, but it'll work. And I'll click insert. It puts it right into the slide for me. I'll move it over into this box. I'm using my guides, those red lines here to get it kind of centered right there. It's going centered over something else. And to be a little bit fancy, if I go look at this icon up here that says crop image, just to the right is a little triangle. Anytime there's a little triangle, click on it. It means that there's a menu underneath it. So if I click on this one, it gives me a little menu for masking. And if I choose a shape, it will make that image that I just put in there into a shape. So there you go. They've got a selfie. It was really quick and easy to do. And that will work across the Google products. It'll work in Google Docs. It'll work in Google Jamboard. If I do here, which I do add image, one of the options is camera. Start looking around your menus and playing around with the different things that you have available to you. So again, here's my webcam. I can start taking pictures. And I can find one. Yeah, that's really blurry. It's goofy, but I will use it. Let your kids see your goofy side. What have you got to lose? All right, so now I have a picture. You could give each kid their own Jamboard page here, and they could make something really interesting for you. They could do group shots, get them involved, let everybody be goofy. Have fun, and have a great school year.